Game, game, game! Gawa tayo ng Chinese dim sum. Ang tawag sa Pilipino, siomai. So, ang ingredients, ground pork, garlic, onion, celery, carrots, onion, ginger, and soy sauce, light, salt and pepper, garlic powder, black pepper, itlog, egg. Oh, that's it. Balot muna natin. Balot. Okay? Then, steam natin about 20 minutes. Yung tubig, may mixture din siya. Yung sa Chinese herbs. Kayo nang bahala kung anong gusto nyo lagay. Okay? Then, yung dipping sauce, eto. Sesame seeds.